Crash Course on Costa Rica, Sustainable Tourism. Introduction. Costa Rica is widely recognized as a global leader in sustainable tourism. With its commitment to protecting the environment and promoting responsible travel, the country has become a haven for eco-conscious travelers. In this crash course, we will explore the concept of sustainable tourism and its significance in Costa Rica. We will share intriguing stories and examples that highlight the country's dedication to preserving its natural resources. Additionally, we will list and describe the top 12 sustainable tourism destinations in Costa Rica, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty that can be experienced while treading lightly on the planet. Chapter 1. Stories and Examples of Sustainable Tourism in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is brimming with stories that showcase the successful integration of tourism and environmental conservation. One such example is the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, a globally renowned destination for its rich biodiversity and commitment to sustainable practices. Visitors to Monteverde have the opportunity to explore the lush cloud forest, witnessing rare species of plants and animals while supporting the local community's sustainable initiatives. Another inspiring story is that of Taiguero National Park, a vital nesting site for endangered sea turtles. The park's dedication to protecting these magnificent creatures, coupled with its sustainable tourism practices, has not only led to the preservation of turtle populations but also provided visitors with the opportunity to witness the incredible spectacle of turtle nesting and hatching. Chapter 2. Top 12 Sustainable Tourism Destinations in Costa Rica. 1. Corcovado National Park. This biodiverse haven on the Osa Peninsula offers opportunities for wildlife spotting, hiking, and supporting local eco-lodges and initiatives. 2. Manuel Antonio National Park. Known for its stunning beaches and abundant wildlife, this park promotes sustainable practices and offers educational experiences for visitors. 3. Arenal Volcano National Park. Explore the majestic Arenal volcano and its surrounding rainforest, while supporting sustainable initiatives in the area. 4. Montezuma, a small coastal town renowned for its beautiful beaches and commitment to sustainable living, offering eco-lodges, organic farms, and alternative energy practices. 5. Cahuita National Park. This Caribbean gem features stunning coral reefs, coastal rainforests, and a commitment to community-based sustainable tourism. 6. La Fortuna. Home to the iconic Arenal volcano, La Fortuna boasts sustainable accommodations, hot springs, and adventure activities for eco-conscious travelers. 7. Puerto Viejo de Talamanca. A vibrant coastal town with a strong focus on sustainability, offering opportunities for surfing, wildlife spotting, and supporting local conservation efforts. 8. Monteverde. Known for its cloud forests and canopy tours, Monteverde is a prime example of sustainable tourism, with initiatives focused on conservation and education. 9. Drake Bay. Located on the remote Osa Peninsula, this off-the-beaten-path destination offers unparalleled opportunities for wildlife encounters and sustainable tourism experiences. 10. Rincon de la Vieja National Park. This volcanic wonderland features geothermal activity, waterfalls, and a commitment to sustainable practices, including eco-friendly accommodations and tours. 11. Nicoya Peninsula. With its stunning beaches, surfing spots, and wellness retreats, the Nicoya Peninsula promotes sustainable tourism through organic farming, renewable energy, and community initiatives. 12. Santa Teresa. This bohemian beach town showcases sustainable tourism through its eco-lodges, organic restaurants, and support for local conservation projects. Chapter 3. Summary. Sustainable tourism is at the heart of Costa Rica's travel industry, and the country's commitment to protecting its natural resources while providing unforgettable experiences is commendable. From the rich biodiversity of Corcovado National Park to the ethereal cloud forests of Monteverde, sustainable tourism destinations in Costa Rica offer a harmonious blend of adventure, environmental stewardship, and cultural immersion. Costa Rica's success in sustainable tourism can serve as an inspiration to travelers and destinations worldwide. By prioritizing conservation, engaging local communities, and implementing eco-friendly practices, we can create a more sustainable future for the tourism industry and the planet as a whole. Poem. In Costa Rica, where nature thrives, sustainable tourism comes alive. From coast to cloud, and park to sea. A paradise of ecological harmony. Monteverde's cloud forest, ethereal and grand. Taiguero's turtles, a majestic strand. Corcovado's wilderness, alive with sound. Costa Rica's sustainable gems abound. In Arenal's shadow, adventure awaits. Manuel Antonio, where wildlife creates. Cahuita's coral reefs, vibrant and rare. La Fortuna's hot springs, nature's flair. From Montezuma's beaches, a coastal dream, to Puerto Viejo's rhythm, nature's gleam. Drake Bay's secrets, the Osa's grace. Rincon de la Vieja's geothermal embrace. Nicoya Peninsula's wellness retreat. Santa Teresa's charm, a sustainable feat. Costa Rica's destinations, a symphony of green, where sustainable tourism is a reigning queen. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica, a land so fine. Sustainable tourism, a paradigm. From mountains high to oceans deep, a commitment to the earth we keep. Chorus. Costa Rica, a shining light, a beacon for sustainable might. With nature's wonders to explore, a future we strive to restore. Verse 2. From Monteverde's cloud-kissed trees, to Tataguero's turtle seas, Corcovado's wild, untamed, in harmony, our world reclaimed. Chorus. Costa Rica, a shining light, a beacon for sustainable might. With nature's wonders to explore, a future we strive to restore. Bridge. Arenal's fire, a volcanic show. Manuel Antonio, where the wild things grow. Cahuita's coast, a Caribbean dream. La Fortuna's hot springs, a healing stream. Chorus. Costa Rica, a shining light, a beacon for sustainable might. With nature's wonders to explore, a future we strive to restore. Verse 3. From Montezuma's sandy shore, to Puerto Viejo's rhythms roar. Drake Bay's secrets, hidden and rare. Rincon de la Vieja's geothermal flare. Chorus. Costa Rica, a shining light, a beacon for sustainable might. With nature's wonders to explore, a future we strive to restore. Outro. Nicoya Peninsula's wellness abounds. Santa Teresa's charm, nature resounds. Costa Rica, a sustainable crown. Together we protect, together we astound. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.